In this energy clearing session, we are going to be looking at holiday stress and anxiety. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation. And today is Christmas morning. It's Christmas Day. So first, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. And this clearing is going to be all about that stress and tension and holiday anxiety. If you have it, and if you don't, it still may make you feel just a little better. I don't know. But, a lot of people do suffer from stress and anxiety around the holidays and obligations and what you're supposed to do, what you need to buy, what you need to be doing for other people, and what holidays should look like. All that type of stuff contribute to stress and anxiety. So in this clearing, what we're going to do is we're going to just clear the negative energy from the past, whether it's old memories, traumas, old stress, any sort of beliefs that you've made or you've created or that were given to you, passed down to you, taught to you as a kid about what this holiday is supposed to be like what you need to do, what you need to have, all that type of stuff. And we're just going to release all that. So hopefully you can just enjoy the day. Enjoy time with friends if you're around friends today or family today. And if you're not around anybody because of current situations in 2020, then, enjoy the day regardless. Enjoy what today, or what any day is. And just letting go of stress and tension and holiday stress and tension of what needs to happen, should happen, and all that type of stuff is just going to help you, enjoy your day. All right. So I'm visiting my kids and last night, just outside of the town, a fire had grown over the day. We saw it start in the morning around noon. And by 8, 9 o'clock, it had taken out houses. So it just kind of made me realize, we don't know what's going to happen. And we really can't change what's going to happen. We maybe can't even influence it that much, but we can clear the stress in ourselves and be in a good place ourselves. So anyway, let's go ahead and do the clearing. Just listen, and you can have your eyes open or closed. It doesn't matter. You don't have to do much. Maybe just notice how you feel before the clearing, and then again, notice how you feel after we do the clearing. All right, so here we go. All right, that one's all done. So how do you feel after the clearing? You can always listen again to the clearing part with the intention of letting go of anything keeping you stuck, letting go of anything making you feel bad, whatever intention is that you have. And yeah, you can't clear too much. So again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I will see you in the next one.